How to install PNC Mobile Banking app on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install PNC Mobile Banking app on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the search section, just tap on the search bar at the top, and there you can simply type PNC and search for it. And now here on the search result, you can just tap on PNC Mobile, and here on the next page, you can just tap on install button to start the installation process. Now here, with time, you just have to wait for some time for it to be installed on your phone. And now here, once the app installs, you can just tap on open to launch the app. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.